Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if a PDF won't open, won't save or won't print in Adobe Acrobat, don't worry. These three problems are often connected. The issue is usually caused by a damaged PDF, permission restrictions, corrupted Acrobat settings, printer communication errors, or an outdated Acrobat installation. The good news is most PDF problems can be fixed in just a few minutes without recreating the documents, okay? So the first thing you can do is restart Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so close Adobe Acrobat completely and reopen Acrobat and open the PDF again. So this clears temporary glitches and resets active PDF processes. You can also open the PDF from inside Acrobat, like instead of double clicking the file, open Acrobat, file, and open and then select the PDF. It bypasses file associations issues and it confirms Acrobat can access the document. Okay, so it's useful when PDFs refuse to launch normally. You can also save the PDF under a new name, like if the PDF won't save, file, go to file and save as and choose a new file name. It save or save to a different location. It bypasses file lock-in issues and creates a fresh PDF copy. So this often fixes saving errors immediately. You can check file permissions too, like a read-only file cannot be saved properly, so click or right-click the PDF, go to properties and verify read-only is disabled, and then confirm you have right permissions. It allows saving changes and it prevents access-related errors. So common with files received from email or shared drives. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.